Hi everyone, it's been ages since I've done an overview of my project life, so I thought I'd pick a week at random from last year and just share that with you because I have some extra photos in this and some ideas on how I get them in there. So let's start out with the title card for week number 35 and go over to this picture. This is a silly it's a bug that kept eating all of my plants, so I took a picture of him on one of the branches there and just put that into my project life. And then over here I have a picture of my boy Quinn. He's going to be 19 this year. And then over here just a picture of Tony with Quinn on his lap. You see a lot of pictures of us with our cats because they're our children, really. And this is a funny one because Spencer really doesn't have a lot to do with Tony, and Tony's talking to him here, and then he just turned away and looked away from Tony. There's a Spencer hair right there on my... Spencer helps me do my project life sometimes. And then over here is just... we got this little electric fireplace from Costco for the wall. It's actually quite nice. So there's us taking it, or that's Tony taking it from Costco, and then there it is up on the wall. And then this is just about a book that I just finished reading. And this is a card from the public library collection from October afternoon. And then this is a way that I get extra pictures into my project life. I'll take a whole 12 by 12 page, pocket page, and then I fold it right there so that in between what I've got going on here, it allows me to keep it in the 2-page spread, but add the extra pictures in there. Because I think it would be confusing if I left it folded out. Then you'd think this was the whole week, and then you go on to the next page and it's still the same week. So by folding it this way, and it stays shut really easily, it stays folded, I'm able to get the extra pictures in. So these are just pictures of me and Tony with my sister and her children, and the day that we had here. So this is at the California Pizza Kitchen. And this is back at our place. So I'm just adding the extra pictures. I always take tons of pictures, so it's nice to get them in there. This is funny. Faith, she's 3 actually in this picture. She gave herself a haircut. Just some candid shots there. And then the whole group out in front. And then the girls. That's another card from October afternoon. And this is Grace. We were doing a project with those perler beads, and she was in deep concentration here. And here she is with Spencer. She's a little timid with animals, but she's getting warmed up to him. So now see, I can flip this over, and we've got the other picture. Here I've got, so I can have 2 more pictures. And then on this side is a group of pictures from some friends that had visited us from Canada. They were staying up close to LA, and then they came down for the day to see us. So this is just some snapshots with them. So then over here I've just got another picture with a friend of mine here for her birthday. And then we got our sofa reupholstered actually, so here it is at the upholstery shop. I went to check on it, so it's in progress there. So this is just a shot of me looking down from my loft. We had one chair there and a pillow, and Tony's actually just talking to Quinn there, and I just caught that. And there's my friend for this is us here, and then it's her birthday here, so we were at the Cheesecake Factory. And I did this little arrangement here in pic frame on my cell phone. This is just I was cooking some eggs, and I think that the heat was too high, so it was really bubbling up. I thought it was funny, so of course I grabbed my camera, took a picture. And then down here, I went to Rogers Gardens. They have a wonderful display for Halloween, so I took some pictures there, just a ton of pictures. So another way that I get extra pictures is I cut out one of the 4x6s here, and I'll just use some from my tape runner, and I just glue it on the side here. It's really easy, and that way I can flip it open and I can put another picture here, another picture there. So that's how I get extra pictures into a week when I have an extra busy week. So I'll post some pictures on my blog, close up, if you'd like to take a look. But thanks for stopping in.